Hayengdagi Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports ki office so londuna thabak lepagi khongjang changsinba hauragani haina YAS Employee Association na lauthokre. Mamangda lengakna YAS ki Joint Director Administration oina MCS officer ama hablakhiba adu handokpiyu haiduna association asina taknaduna leiringai cheragasida MCS officer adu ngasi join tawrakre. Thawang adugi mayokta ngasi Khuman Lampakta leiba Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports ki office mamangda YAS Employee Association ki thomi singna wakat mi pham chathakre. Good governance begins with fairness. Respect the department, respect its cadre. Strong cadre builds a strong department. Respect institution, respect employees amade. Justice for YAS employees haibina chingba play card kaya sizinaduna. Chathakiba wakat mi pham aduga mari leinana Youth Affairs and Sports Employee Association YAS yagi Secretary Davis Kangjamna hai. Haukiba July kuntareta department asige joint director oina MCS kadarama hablakhe. Post asi RR gi matung inna promotion oina kajakadaba amane. Promotion oina lakadaba post asi atopa MCS ke kadarama laklaga post asi mention kiba haibasi yamna chunadaba amane. Maramde department asi sports kamari leinaba ama oibana sports dagi haurakpa amade sana khotnabagi lausing ningthina leiba employee na oibana hena achumbo oigani haibasi employee singi thajabane. Asigumba phibam asi leibana lengakna thokiba order ado amuk hanna yengsindu employee singi interest ta amade sana khonaba pamjaba singi damak khanduna promotion gi liklamadu kaidana department gi kadar makhata post asi hapiyu haina taksinduna lakpane. Hiramasagi matang tangarang Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan ga unaduna order adu handoknaba taksin khibane. Adubu madugi ona tainabada thokiba order adu da yauriba MCS officer adu Directorate asige Joint Director oina join tawramlei. Masi yabang ngamloi lengakna thokiba order adu athuba matamda handoktrabade hayengdagi Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports ki office so londuna thabak lepagi khongjang changsinbaga loinana makhataba khongjang kaya changsinlagani haina mahakna makhataki.
Hariba sanction post 100% promotional oiba department gi cadre post oiba joint director gi post asi sokpi danawa natragana khoi laiba happy raiba khoi MCS ki cadre post oina so haibiriba joint director post asi sanction post sokpa oiragana oire oidraga su atopan newly created post oiraga su khoina thamjariba pandam asi khoi mapandagi oiba sports ki department ki manung dagi na tabam pande ba kanamta changbirakta manung dagi promotional oina RR respect obiraga akhoi gi promotional avenues bibiduna leiriba employee sing natraga tung koina lakadriba sports natraga youth ki thopugudriba office da join torkadaba mayam gi khanbiraga achawo interest ama yengbiraga tobiu haibadu ngasi numit asida akhoi gi ta da ba haigadra akhoi hariba officer sina laaga join tobiramle tobiram du matung ina khoi gi khongjang sanction boina khoina thamliu dabi asi hariba thokpi gibo order adu revoke tobidraga di hayeng numit gi khoi akan khongjang sanction duna office lolaga makhata na khoi thabak tawduna khoi leiriba RCC coaching amsung khoi staff ki oiba official work amta chathajaroina haijaning